Namaskaram. We have all heard the popular saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, which clearly implies that apples are a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals that boost our health. According to Ayurveda, apple is considered as madhura or sweet in taste and is said to remain madhura even after digestion. Apples are cold in potency, which means they cool down and nourish the body. Of the three doshas, apples are known to balance the vata and pitta and aggravate the kapha. Therefore, they should be avoided when one has cold and cough. Let's talk about some of the many benefits of this juicy, delicious, nutritionally dense fruit. Fiber-rich apples are a rich source of the soluble dietary fibre pectin, which helps to lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the body, thus boosting heart health. When thoroughly chewed, apples are potent enough to kill the bacteria present in the mouth, which are responsible for various dental problems like plaque, cavities, tooth decay, bad breath, and various other periodontal diseases. Then comes brain health. The rich, nourishing qualities of apples protect as well as boost the neurosystem and are therefore very beneficial for people suffering from memory loss and other neurological disorders. Then comes weight management. Besides being a good source of multiple nutrients, apples are also a rich source of soluble fibre, which helps us feeling satiated for long, thus reducing food cravings, which in turn helps with weight management. However, it is best to eat it as a whole fruit rather than juicing it. The polyphenol present in apples helps stimulate the pancreas to produce insulin, which makes it a great choice for diabetes management. We'll see you soon. Pranam.